It's no secret that passive income is one of the most talked about and highly sought after concepts in the online business space. But the truth is, most people don't really pay it much mind because they believe that it's some kind of hoax or a joke or somebody who just got lucky with bringing in different income sources. But the truth is, passive income is available for you, and who wouldn't love to earn money in their sleep? So today I'm going to talk about 5 different reasons why you need a passive income source. Let's go. The first reason you need passive income is because it allows you to supplement the income that you currently have or totally replace it. In 2020, after the pandemic, we all came to see that passive income and extra streams of income were no longer a luxury, but instead a necessity. So when you think of ways to bring in additional streams of revenue, creating a passive source is going to be amazing. The second reason you need a passive source of income is because it allows you to reach your goals a lot quicker. Think about it. If you are depending on earning money every single time you show up, you're going to have a cap or a ceiling on how much you earn. But if on the flip side, you create a passive source of income, that means you don't have to show up for every single dollar that you earn. And in turn, there is no cap or ceiling on the amount that you can earn. In 2020, I set a goal to pay off $17,000 of credit card debt. Well, I'll be honest, I had no clue how I was going to pay this off, but I gave myself a year to figure it out. And within that year, I was able to surprisingly pay that debt off in only 6 weeks. And that is because a large portion of my business income is passive. So I don't have to show up for every dollar, but I still was able to bring in a large amount of money and pay it off quick, which allowed me to not only reach the goal of paying off my credit card quicker, I was also able to start reaching some business goals that I had in mind because I freed up that money that would have went towards my credit card originally and was able to reinvest back into my business. The third reason that you need a passive source of income is because it allows you to create more freedom, more time freedom, more financial freedom. Think about it. When you are tied to a cubicle or tied to a desk, you have to be in that space. You have to be there every time you want to earn money. But when you have passive income, you could literally be anywhere in the world and still earning that money. It creates this sense of freedom, knowing that you're also not tied to this desperate energy to be able to call in and create more income as well. When you're able to free up your money for the things that you love and you're able to free up your time for the things that you love, you're able to dedicate more of yourself, energy, and effort into your passions, which is honestly so priceless. The fourth reason that you need a passive source of income is because it reduces your stress. Think about it. When you are so desperate to earn money and you're counting on one stream of income and you are holding this desperate energy, you're going to operate from that place. And that doesn't give you that rest or that peace or that joy that you deeply desire. When you create a passive source of income that allows you to continuously bring that revenue on repeat, then it allows you to really rest, to relax, to rejuvenate, and to feel safe and secure knowing that the income and the money is going to flow regardless. For me, recently I ran into an experience that just proved the value of passive profits. So I was, really pumped up and excited for this launch that I had coming up in my business, but came down with a major headache to the point where it felt like my vision was blurry for days. I was exhausted. I just was not myself. And if that had been me 2 years ago, I would have been devastated. I would have been so desperate and I would have acted and operated from that desperate place. But for me, I was like, you know what? I have a ton of content that I can repurpose. I have a ton of things that are going to make money for me in the background. So I don't have to be desperate. I can just talk about what I'm experiencing. I can allow myself to rest, to recover, and still feel okay with that. And I had one of my most successful launches because I allowed myself to listen to my body and to just be and to really trust the process. This is what passive income affords for you. The fifth and final reason that you need a passive source of income is it's exciting. Like, who doesn't want to make money in their sleep? Who doesn't want to make money on vacation? This is the luxury that passive income actually affords you, and this is available for you. With creating a passive income stream, you allow yourself to stop buying into these limiting beliefs that you have to show up for every single dollar you earn, and you stop buying into the concept that if you work harder, you get more, and you allow yourself to just receive from a place of grace, which is so exciting, and it doesn't get more enjoyable than that. The truth is, many people overcomplicate the process of trying to earn passive income. And they think because we've been taught and we've been programmed to believe that we need to show up for every dollar we earn, or hard work is the only way to make money. But the truth is, when you're passionate about something and you find a way to put it passively into the world, then you get to create that revenue on repeat, which is so freeing, so exciting, and so life-changing. If you're looking for more tools, strategies, and support on the journey to being able to create a passive income source from your passion, I have just the thing for you. If you look at the notes, you'll be able to see a link to my upcoming workshop where I walk you through the process of taking what it is you're passionate about and making it a passive offer so that you can make money in your sleep, money on vacation, or wherever you are, whenever it is for that matter. And I would love, love, love to see you there, because this workshop is literally going to transform the way that you think about your ability to receive income.